In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light that is on your Toyota RAV4. It is actually a very simple procedure. So let's go for it. In the 2006 to 2012 RAV4, you can reset the maintenance light using the trip button on the dash screen. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn on your car without starting the engine. Step 2. Use the trip button to change the odometer to trip A. Step 3. Now turn off your car. Step 4. Now, hold down the trip button and then turn your car back on without starting the engine. Step 5. Keep holding the button until you see 0, and you're done. There are 2 ways to reset the maintenance reminder on the 2013 to 2024 Toyota RAV4. Please follow the guidelines below according to your car trim level. Toyota RAV4 with a monochrome screen. Step 1. Turn on the switch ignition without starting the engine. Step 2. Go to trip A by pressing the disc button repeatedly. Step 3. Next, turn the switch off. Step 4. Press and hold the disc button while turning back on the ignition without cranking the engine. Step 5. Continue to hold down the disc button until the maintenance light goes away. Toyota RAV4 with a color information display. Step 1. With your foot off the brake, push the start button 2 times. Step 2. Using the control pad on your steering wheel, push the left or right button and highlight the gear icon. Step 3. Then, use the up or down buttons and find the vehicle settings or meter settings. Step 4. After that, hold down the OK button and it's going to bring up an option. Step 5. Highlight the schedule maintenance and then go ahead by hitting the OK button. Step 6. Finally, you'll see it says Reset Data, and you can select Yes to complete the reset. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time.